Today I am talking about something special about the AMD stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $469. These stocks give us return today in approx 3%. These stocks give us return approx in the last 5 days 7% negative return. This stock lose market valuation 12% in the last 1 month. These stocks gain the market valuation 119%. That means these stocks give very good return, but in the short term these stocks give very poor return. But here you can see how much return these stocks give in the last 1 year. 172% return these stocks give to investor. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell the stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see how much return these stocks give to investor. Here you can see $469 price these stocks traded at this moment, and last 5 years return which is 300%, and maximum return which is 5500%. That means 55x return these stocks give to investor. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.